Welcome to Tech World with Preet. I am your host Preet, a generative AI leader who is passionate about sharing the knowledge and empowering everyone to unlock the power of AI.
Generative AI is revolutionizing industries, enabling innovations like intelligent chatbots, creative content generation, and dynamic problem solving systems. While there are multiple ways to use generative AI, whether through Python, Java, or Node.js, this roadmap specifically focuses on leveraging Node.js to integrate AI capabilities into applications seamlessly. Step 1 is master the core of Node.js. Start by solidifying your JavaScript and Node.js skills. Familiarize yourself with core concepts like asynchronous programming, working with APIs, and managing dependencies. Explore TypeScript for safer and more robust coding practices. Once you have basic knowledge of Node.js, the next step is AI libraries and tools in Node.js. Explore TensorFlow.js for machine learning and brain. JS for lightweight neural networks directly within Node.js. Utilize Synaptic and Node.js wrappers for Hugging Faces transformers to integrate pre-trained language models. This is the recap of Step 2. Pausing the video for a while. Step 3 is understand LLMs and prompt engineering large language models. LLMs are the backbone of generative AI applications. They are trained on vast amounts of data and can perform tasks like language translation, text summarization, content generation, and more. Examples: OpenAI's GPT models, Google's Gemini, Meta's LLMR, and Cohere's models. Integrating pre-trained models with LangChain and Node.js. LangChain is a powerful framework that simplifies working with pre-trained models by chaining them with data and workflows. With LangChain, you can enhance the functionality of language models, manage data interactions, and build complex applications like chatbots, summarization tools, or intelligent agents. Understand prompt engineering. Learn how to craft effective prompts to get desired outputs from LLMs. Experiment with different formats like zero shot, few shot, and chain of thought prompting. Fine tune LLMs for specific tasks. If APIs don't fully meet your needs, fine tune models using tools like Hugging Face. Use Node.js for orchestration and backend integration. Additionally, learn about embeddings and similarity search, which LLMs often rely on for smarter search and recommendation systems. Dive into advanced techniques like chain of thought reasoning to improve model reasoning and accuracy. Step 3 is all about large language models, the real game changers in generative AI. These models like GPT, Gemini, or Llama can handle tasks like summarizing, translating, and creating content. With LangChain and Node.js, you'll see how easy it is to plug these models into apps like chatbots or AI tools. You'll also learn to write better prompts, fine-tune models for specific tasks, and explore smart features like embeddings for recommendations. This step gets you hands-on with AI magic. The step 4 is dive into RAG, abbreviated as Retrieval Augmented Generation. Retrieval Augmented Generation is a transformative approach in generative AI, combining the power of LLMs with external data sources to create highly accurate and context-aware applications. Here is how you can implement RAG with Node.js. The first step is understand RAG workflow. RAG integrates two key components. The first key component is retrieval module. It fetches relevant data from sources like vector databases. The second key component is generation module. It uses an LLM to process retrieved data and generate meaningful responses. Next step is vector database. Choose from vector databases like Pinecone, Weaviate, Redis, or Chroma. These databases store embeddings, enabling efficient similarity searches. Generate embeddings. Use tools like OpenAI embeddings, Hugging Face transformers, or LangChain utilities to convert text data into vector embeddings. These embeddings allow your system to understand and retrieve relevant information. Build a retrieval pipeline to query vector databases and feed results into an LLM. Fine-tune the retrieval process by adjusting similarity thresholds or applying ranking algorithms to prioritize the most relevant results. These are the consolidated steps to deep dive for RAG. Step 5 is exploring AI agents. AI agents are autonomous systems which are designed to reason and execute tasks, and agents can be effectively implemented using tools like Hugging Face and LangChain. Advanced agent architectures. When we talk about advanced agent architectures, think of creating smart systems that can reason, act, and even collaborate to solve complex tasks. Here we can learn about React and multi-agent systems. Architecture like React, where Re stands for reasoning and Act for acting. Imagine you're solving a puzzle. First you think about the next step, that is where you are reasoning. Then you move a piece, that means acting. React architecture does something similar. Multi-agent systems. You can think of a team project where everyone has a role. One person does research, another writes the content, and someone else presents it. Multi-agent systems work like this. Memory and long-term context. What is memory in AI agents? Conversations. AI agents can retain information from past interactions. For example, a chatbot recalling your preferences from earlier chats, like your favorite coffee or last order. Episodic memory. This is when agents remember key details from previous sessions or interactions. Example, an AI customer support agent recalling the issue you mentioned last week without needing you to repeat it. External memory systems like Redis or Chroma vector databases to manage knowledge over time. AutoGPT and Baby AGI as two different types of smart assistants for building agents. Multimodal AI agents. These are super smart agents that can understand and work with different types of data like text, images, and audio all at once. Possible by integrating models like clip image text understanding into a pipeline using LangChain. The roadmap is your guide to mastering generative AI step by step in 2025. Stay updated with AI advancements and regularly experiment with tools and frameworks.